Web hosting that's fast, secure and eco-friendly. The internet is a huge polluter of the environment. Start hosting your website on the leading eco-friendly web hosting provider and make a positive impact on the environment. Starting from $2.95 per month. Get started now. No hidden fees and 30-day money-back guarantee. One platform. Multiple hosting options. No matter your hosting requirements, our platform will fit your needs. WordPress hosting. Lightning fast speed, security and expert support for WordPress-powered websites. Starting from $2.95 per month. C plans. WooCommerce hosting. Start your online store and sell your products easily with WordPress powered by WooCommerce. Starting from $2.95 per month. C plans. Reseller web hosting. Manage multiple hosting accounts or resell web hosting to your clients on our web hosting platform. Starting from $29.95 per month. C plans. Virtual private servers. Screaming fast SSD-based VPS hosting platform for your website or application. Starting from $39.95 per month. Hosting. Blazing fast and secure eco-friendly web hosting. Light. Perfect for small websites or blogs that are just getting started. Pro most popular. Great for growing websites that need more speed and resources. Premium. Our small business plan is perfect for busy websites or online stores. Everything you need to power your website. Hundreds of features you need starting at just $2.95 per month. 1. SSD web space. Your website files are stored on ultra-fast SSD storage arrays. 2. Unmetered data transfer. We do not limit you on how much bandwidth that you use. 3. Host unlimited domains. Pro and Premium. Host as many websites as you want on one account. Your visitors won't know the difference. Eligible on Pro and Premium. 4. Free drag and drop builder. Easily create a website with absolutely no technical skill using our drag and drop website builder. 1. Free website transfer. Exclusive. Our site migration specialists will migrate your website from your existing host completely free of charge. 2. Free email accounts. Create personalized email addresses such as name@yourdomain.com. 3. Unlimited MySQL databases. We do not limit the amount of MySQL databases that you can create on your plan. 4. Unlimited sub and parked domains. Create an unlimited number of subdomains, x HTTP URL, and park, redirect as many domains to your main domain as you want.